everyone. Today we are going to make a video about technique. Question 1. Explain the meaning of differentiations and what are the technique of differentiation. So for this one, differentiation is a concept in calculus that involves in finding the derivative of a function. Derivative represent the rate of change of a quantity concerning a variable. In simple term, derivative tell you the rate of change or slope of a function at any given point. This concept is widely used in physics, engineering, and other related fields.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm going to explain question 2. So for question 2a, we need to first identify the product of two functions. So the first product is 3x squared and the second product is secant x minus 2. And then we need to differentiate the two functions, for the product of the two functions. When you differentiate 3x squared, it becomes 6x. And when you differentiate secant x minus 2, it will become secant x minus 2 tan x minus 2. And then after you differentiate the two products, you need to apply the product rule, which is dy over dx equals to u prime v plus u v prime. So you just need to substitute the two product that you has differentiate into the product rule. And the final answer will be dy over dx equals to 6x secant x minus 2 plus 3x squared secant x minus 2 tan x minus 2. Okay, so for question B, we need to differentiate y equals to 4x plus 2 over cos x. Okay, first step, we need to identify the quotient of two function, which is, the first quotient is 4x plus 2 and the second one is cos x. And we need to differentiate the two of the quotient. When you differentiate 4x plus 2, it will become 4. And when you differentiate cos x, it will become negative sine x. Then we just need to apply the quotient rule, which is dy over dx equals to u prime v minus u v prime over v squared. Then you just need to substitute the quotient that you has differentiate into the quotient rule. And then after you substitute the product, you need to simplify it. It will become dy over dx equals to 4 cos x plus 4x plus 2 sine x over cos squared x. And the final answer will be dy over dx equals to 4 cos x plus 4x plus 2 sine x over cos 2x. That's all from me. Thank you.
To answer question 3, first of all, we need to read the question carefully. Given y ln 3x minus exponential power of 2x plus 1 minus tangent 4y equals to 0, find dy over dx using implicit differentiations. So what is implicit differentiations? Basically, implicit differentiations make use of the chain rule to differentiate a function which cannot be explicitly expressed in the form of y equals to fx. Such a function is known as an implicitly defined function. So based on the equations that given, we differentiate the first thing, which is y ln 3x. We're using the formula of product rule to answer these questions. So the formula for product rule is v u prime plus u v prime. The u for this question is y, v is ln 3x. The u prime and v prime is a product of differentiations for u and v. So the u prime is dy over dx, meanwhile v is x. After we got the ln, after we differentiate the ln, we got 1 over 3x multiplied with 3. So the final for v prime is x. The final answer after we combine with using the formula of product rule, we got the dy over dx ln 3x plus y over x. After that, we continue to differentiate the second thing, which is exponential power of 2x plus 1. We use the derivative of exponentials to answer this one. So we differentiate the power of exponential. After we differentiate the 2x plus 1, we got 2. We multiply exponential power of 2x plus 1 with 2. And then the third thing that we need to differentiate is tangent for y. We use the derivative of logarithmic function to answer this one. We got the secant square for y multiplied with 4 dy over dx. After we already differentiate all of those three equations, we combine it into one equations and make it equals to 0. We got the ln 3x dy over dx plus y over x minus exponential power of 2x plus 1 multiplied with 2 minus secant square 4y multiplied with 4 dy over dx equals to 0. So we go to the final last step, which is after we got the equations, we left the equations remaining with dy over dx on the left side and bring out the equation that doesn't have dy over dx to the right side. And then we factorize the equations on the left, remaining the dy over dx. Bring out the equations that we just factorized from the left side, divided it with the equations on the right side. So finally we got the answer, which is dy over dx equals to 2 exponential power of 2x plus 1 multiplied with x minus with y divided with ln 3x minus 4 secant square 4y.
So we reached the last question. For this question, we're gonna use a linear approximation. For based on the question, we all know that x is 80.99. So we need to choose the closest number, which is 81. And then after we got 81 for x sub 0, what we need to do, we need to minus it. So we take 80.99 over there, and then we minus it with 81. We're gonna get negative 0.01. It's okay if it's negative, it's normal. Then we need to find the function of x sub 0. What we need to do is we need to put the f81 that we find for fx sub 0 into the question. So it's gonna be 4 square root 81, because we changed the x sub 0 because we got it 81, and then minus 2 over square root of 81. After you put it inside calculator, you're gonna get 3 negative 2 over 9, and then after we calculate it again, it's become 25 over 9. Next, for this one, we're gonna use a differentiations. We all know that we got the equation for fx sub 0 is 4 square root of x sub 0 minus 2 over square root x sub 0. We're gonna use an easy form. We make it easy. It's become x sub 0 power of 1 over 4 minus 2x sub 0 power of negative 1 over 2. And then after this, we can differentiate it. After we differentiate it, it's gonna become 1 over 4 x sub 0 power of negative 3 over 4 minus x sub 0 negative 3 over 2, and then after you put it inside a calculator, you're gonna get that answer, which is 1 over 4 for square root x power of 3 minus 1 over square root x sub 0 power of 3. Next, we're gonna put the x sub 0 that we got 81, we're gonna put it inside the differentiation that we got. So it's gonna become 1 over 4 27 minus 1 over 729. You need to put inside calculator, it's become 23 over 2916. So we got all the information, we can finally use the formula. So this is the last step. So in the end, is gonna be 25 over 9 plus 23 over 2616. And then you're gonna minus 8 weight, minus 0.01. And then after you put it inside calculator, the answer gonna be 2.778. That's all.
In conclusion, differentiation is a cornerstone of calculus that provide essential tools for analyzing how quantities change with respect to one another. It is widely applied in various disciplines, from calculating velocity in physics to optimizing profit in economics. The development of differentiation techniques, such as the power rule, product rule, quotient rule,